up guys, Mitch from Shock Therapy, and today on this installation video we're going to be showing you how to install the front links on the Can-Am X3 DS. This link kit is going to do multiple things for you. The most important one is that it's going to get rid of the factory link that is known for breaking and coming loose at the sway bar and the arm mount. This link kit also comes with grade 8 hardware that is all 1/2 inch, which means it's going to be much stronger than the factory hardware. One last thing to keep in mind with our link kit is that it is made with the strongest 5/8 rod ends available on the market. So let's jump on in. This installation should take you no longer than 1 to 2 hours. I'll show you guys how to install it.
First step is to loosen the factory hardware holding the front links on the UTV. Remove the link completely from the UTV. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. Next, grab the links supplied in the kit and set them up to the correct length. This should be 3 1/4 inches from center of hole to center of hole. When you tighten the jam nut by hand, it is best to have the rod ends clocked 90 degrees apart from each other. Repeat the measuring step on the other link.
Okay guys, so a little bit of a pro tip here, if you will. There is, in the kit, you'll notice 3 different styles of spacers. You have 2 high miss spacers. One has a longer edge to it than the other. It's a lot shorter. And then you have a standard style, just normal spacer. It is very important to know where these go in the kit once we install it. I just want you guys to be aware of that as of right now. We're going to show you which orientation they go once we put them on the car. When you go to install the link, make sure that the jam nut is on the bottom. Basically the way that this is going to go is you have your thicker high miss spacer and your thinner one. The thicker one is going to go against the arm. We're going to install it just like that. And your thinner one is going to go on the opposite side. You grab your bolt, that'll go through there. We're going to install this on. For the top, you're going to have your standard style spacer. That is going to go on the outside of the link. And then your last skinny high miss spacer is going to go on the inside of the link towards the sway bar. Take your bolt through the back side.
Repeat the link and spacer installation on the other side.
Okay guys, so again on the opposite side, make sure that your jam nut is facing down. When you grab your spacers, you're going to have a thicker high miss and a thinner high miss. The thicker one is going to go towards the arm. It's going to go on the inside of the link. Your thinner one is going to go on the outside. Bolt goes through, and we'll install that onto the arm. Your last 2 spacers, you'll have a standard style spacer. It's going to go on the outside of the link. And your last small high miss spacer is going to go on the inside of the link towards the bar. The bolt goes through the back side.
Torque all of the link hardware to 110 foot-pounds. With all of the hardware torqued, It's now time to lock down the rod end jam nut. With those jam nuts locked in place, your installation is now done.
Now that you have your front shock therapy links installed on your Can-Am DS, the most important thing to keep in mind is that after the first 100 to 300 miles, check those jam nuts to make sure that they're still tight. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified anytime that we post a new video. This link kit, along with any other products from Shock Therapy, are always made in the US of A, and they are backed by a lifetime warranty. If you ever need any replacement parts or any technical help, please give us a call at 623-217-4959, or for replacement parts that you want to order online, visit the website at www.shocktherapist.com. Starting to sweat, Josh. Feel weird. Watch the cord. Don't trip over the cord.
I'm rubbing on him
Yes.
right now in the back. Oh yeah, get some of that.
Good,
See, you're
good,
anonymous in sunglasses.
good bloopers. I got everybody walking through. It's making me all weird, nervous and shit.
Are you ready? Yep. Okay. That was real nice. Woo.